Hello and welcome to this video. On this video, we're going to be replacing the rear struts that hold up the back hatch on our 2000 Mercedes ML 320. Now normally we use only original equipment parts, but since this vehicle is 19 years old, we decided to go with Amazon's best leading product. This is the one that has the highest rating. It's Vepagoo. It's made in China. Hopefully they're going to be an excellent product. Anyway, we're going to try it and we'll put a link in the description. Okay, so this is the way the struts are now. I'll go ahead and open up the hatch and you'll see it doesn't even want to open and it barely rises and it stops way too low. You have to push it all the way up to have access. So what we're going to do is use two people, one person to hold this hatch up and the other person to replace the struts. And we'll show you how to get the old ones off here in just a second. All right, in order to remove the old strut, what you're going to do is remove the metal clips. Make sure you wear safety glasses or protect yourself because they can spring off. And make sure somebody's holding the hatch up because it will fall down if you only have one of the units in place. So you're going to pull the clips out on both of them, top and bottom, and then it just pops loose. And then you'll put the new one in. I'll show you that here in a second because we're going to clean the balls and put on some Krytox grease. We'll show you that. Okay, with the old strut removed, you're going to clean the little balls that holds the new strut into place with some alcohol and a clean wipe. And then we use Krytox grease to grease it with. And after we get all this done, we'll show you how to pop the new one on. Okay, we already have the top of the new one put into place, and we're getting ready to pop the bottom. So you have to push the hatch way up to get it to go on. So now we'll close the hatch and activate it and see how it does. All right, we have the new struts installed, so now let's open up the hatch and see how it does. And there it goes, all the way to the top. Be careful when you open it because it does have a lot of force and tension. It could hit you in the face or something. But anyway, that's all there is to this video. It's a very easy job. It just takes two people. And thanks for watching.